Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be giving you guys a DIY video. This is actually the video that I did right before my computer crashed, and I did not get a chance to show you guys how I made my wreath and that little banner that I made over my fireplace. So I wanted to go ahead and get this video up because my computer is back, you guys. I received my new computer and I am loving it. So I wanted to go ahead and put this video out for you guys so that you will actually see how it was done and that I actually did the work. So if you want to see more of this video, go ahead and stay tuned. So if you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana. I do a lot of DIYs and crafting. I also do a lot of home decor and seasonal decor here on my channel. I do dabble into some thrifting because I love to save a dollar. I love a bargain. And I do a lot of cleaning, motivation, decluttering, and organization as well. If you are interested in any of my content, I would love for you to go ahead and consider subscribing. Also, double tap that bell so that you won't miss an episode and you'll receive all my notifications. Also, I do have an Amazon store and the link is down in the description box below. You can head over there and you can check it out. I have a lot of seasonal decors and lots of home essential. I would love for you to support. I thank you so much in advance.
I tell you to be wilder. For you now, you got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me. Touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars.
Okay, you guys, so it was at this point that I noticed I made a mistake and I put the F and the A at the end when I should have placed it at the beginning when I turned it over. But it's okay. We're all DIYers. We make mistakes. The best thing is to do is to learn from them. So basically what I did was my daughter was using these little chalkboard signs, and I asked her if I can use them. She said it was fine. So I just went ahead and placed them on there on the wood, and um, just wrote fall on there because I didn't have anything else and I had to kind of think quickly on my feet. But I actually love the way that these turned out. As you guys can see, you already saw the results of it, but I love the way that it turned out because I think that the black actually gave it great contrast. And now I am just going ahead and lightening it up a little bit just to kind of fade out the orange but still leave a little bit of the orange in the background, and I think that it actually turns out a lot better than what it was before. So now I am going ahead and I am making this wreath. Y'all saw this wreath already. You saw it in my foyer tour, and I just think that it looks so beautiful in my foyer. It gave it a great contrast, and it looks so stunning and traditional and classic, and it's just going with the fall theme that I have. It's just really giving me all the fall vibes. I really want to bust out my pumpkins and everything, and yeah, just enjoy it.
A significant light, just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merchant change, but your face remained the same. The swallows will be here by dawn, and when we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. should calm down. And then I'm overthinking everything about you. And that we're good the way we are.
So guys, this is the result of the wreath and the little banner, the wooden banner. I love the way that they turned out, and it's so festive and rich and bright and vibrant. I just love the way that my fall decor is turning out this year. It's very traditional, and I am a girl that is traditional at heart. And I just love that it's so different from everything else that I've seen and everyone's, decor that I've seen. I'm just staying true to myself, and I absolutely love it. If you love it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up as well. I'm just so grateful that I am able to have this type of decor in my home and that my family can enjoy it and, just revel in it. We are just enjoying the warmth of it. And now that it's getting cooler where we are, it just feels like fall. So if you guys enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Thank you to all my oldies but goodies subscribers. Y'all know I love y'all so much. Don't forget to comment down below because I love talking with you guys. Yeah, and let me know if you guys have started your fall decor already as well and what your theme is for the fall season this year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye, guys.
Can you be trusted?